Hey gearheads! Welcome back to the channel CR New Model, where horsepower meets heartbeats. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Toyota GR Supra, and trust me, this beast is more than just a facelift. It's leaner, meaner, and built to thrill. So buckle up, because this modern legend just got even better. First off, the looks. The 2026 GR Supra gets a fresh dose of aggression. Toyota's sharpened the front fascia with redesigned LED matrix headlights, a wider front grille, and more pronounced air intakes. The rear. Sleeker taillights, a more sculpted diffuser, and a reworked spoiler that screams track-ready. The new 19-inch forged wheels, wrapped in sticky Michelin Pilot Sport 5 tires, aren't just for show, they're lighter, stronger, and ready to hug every curve. Slide into the cockpit, and you're greeted with a perfect blend of sport and sophistication. The 2026 GR Supra keeps its driver-focused layout but upgrades the materials, Alcantara with contrast stitching, brushed aluminum accents, and an optional carbon fiber trim package. Tech-wise, it's loaded, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless charging, and an upgraded JBL sound system that hits just as hard as the turbo. Now let's talk about what really matters, performance. Under the hood, the 2026 GR Supra houses a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six, now pushing out 400 horsepower and 410 lb-ft of torque. That's paired with either a lightning-fast 8-speed automatic or, yes, still available, a 6-speed manual for the purists. 0 to 60. Just 3.9 seconds. And with a retuned suspension and recalibrated steering, this Supra isn't just fast, it's precise. The 2026 Toyota GR Supra is more than a sports car, it's a statement. A fusion of Japanese engineering and modern flair, reborn to rule the road and the track. If you're a fan of performance with personality, the new Supra deserves a spot in your dream garage. Let me know in the comments, would you take this over a Z, Mustang Dark Horse, or even a BMW M2? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next breakdown of the hottest cars coming in 2026. Thank you for watching, until next time, stay fast, stay furious.